Have your Action Cam Ultra Pro X4 button stop working? It starts up, but none of the buttons work. So I have to reset the battery. And even after you reset the battery, the buttons don't work. Well, after some trial and error, I took the memory card out, put a different one in, now the buttons are functioning again. Record, record off, menu, scroll, off. So is it that the memory card is corrupted now? Is that why it's not working? The files are still there. So what is it about this memory card that would make the buttons fail on the camera? This is the second time this has happened. Is it the memory's full? There was only 2 million kilobytes on a 32 gigabyte memory card. That couldn't have been it. Now watch. I'm going to format that card that was freezing up the buttons on my camera. Before I did that though, I saved my files. This is the memory card that was in my camera, and then the buttons wouldn't work. Now, after I format it, watch what happens when I put it back in the camera. Now watch. This is the same card that I had the first time that was in my Adventure Cam when the buttons failed, but I formatted this card. Now watch what happens. After I formatted the card, the camera works again. Menu, scroll, record on, stop, off. So if your Adventure Cam buttons freeze up, remove your memory card, save your files, they're still there, then format your card and reinsert it, and it will probably still work. And I'm going to make a secondary video in more detail on why I think this is happening.